In this video, I'll show you a simple but really cool Streamlit project, a city temperature dashboard. You can see the finished version on the screen right now. We'll build this step by step together, and by the end of the video, you'll understand how everything works and be able to create your own interactive app just like this one. Before we start coding, we need to make sure we have the required libraries installed. For this project, we'll be using Streamlit and Matplotlib. You can install them using the install command I'm showing on the screen. Since I've already installed them before, I won't run it again now. Let's begin by setting up our app with a simple structure. We start by importing Streamlit and Matplotlib, and then we configure our page settings, the title, the little emoji icon, and the layout. After that, we add a main title and a short description using Streamlit's st.title and st.write functions. These lines basically set up the look and feel of our dashboard before adding any data or charts. Now let's run the project and see what we have so far. You can start it with the command I'm showing on the screen. Once you run it, go to the address shown in your console. Just open it in your browser. You'll see the app's layout with the title and description already there. Pretty cool, right? Let's keep building. Next, we'll define some sample temperature data for a few cities. Here we have London, Paris, Rome, and Berlin, each with 7 days of temperature values. This data will be used to draw our charts. Then we add a multi-select element, which lets users choose one or more cities from the list. It also has a default value, London, and a helpful tooltip explaining what to do. After that, we add a button labeled Show Chart. When the user clicks it, we check if any cities are selected. If none are chosen, we show a warning asking them to select at least one. But if cities are selected, we loop through each one, take its temperature data, and use Matplotlib to plot a line chart. We label the axes, add a title, and draw a simple grid to make it easy to read. Then we display each chart directly inside the Streamlit app using st.pyplot. Finally, we show a success message to confirm that everything worked. All right, let's run the app again and see what happens. You'll notice that when you pick a city and click the button, the temperature chart appears below. You can even select multiple cities and it will show each chart one after another. It's a super easy and fun way to visualize data interactively without writing too much code. And that's it. If you want to learn Streamlit from the ground up, make sure to check out the Streamlit playlist on my channel. There you'll find beginner-friendly tutorials that take you from zero to building full web apps step by step. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and keep exploring.